3 cough sounds that terrify cats. Number 5. Acute hearing. Cats possess extremely acute hearing, allowing them to hear a wider range of frequencies than humans or dogs. Number 4. Sudden fright. An unexpected or loud noise such as a cough can cause a sudden fright in a cat. Number 3. Instinct. Survival means reacting fast to threats. Number 2. Cats can hear frequencies up to 64,000 Hz, far beyond human hearing, making them sensitive to sudden noises. Number 1. Sudden bolts happen due to loud noises.